This one. ISCO. As you can see, this is a dot and straight line, curvy lines, and also a circle. And most of the Zentangle patterns, they use these 5 elements, which means 4 letters, to combine as a very pretty pictures.
Oh.
Yes, yeah, and you can identify it right now. As you can see, the circle, the straight lines, and also the curvy lines. Yeah, and we will try to adapt these 4 letters, which is 5 elements, into our pictures. But today will be a little bit different, as we will get the inspiration from nature. So let me show you a few pictures. So, as you can see,
Wow.
there's a lot of different nature elements in these pictures. You can see the leaves and also the rock. So for this one, if you can see the shape, the curvy shapes here, and also the dot, which is similar to this one. Yeah, can you see that?
Yeah.
Here. To simplify as the patterns, the drawing patterns, it will be like this. And for this one, another types of lips, it can be like to simplify as this one, this type. Yeah, a very simple lines and also some curvy lines or dot, and it can be a very pretty patterns. So all these patterns or all this concept of Zentangle, they are inspired by 2 people and this 2 persons. And it's Maria and Rick. And for Maria, she is very good at calligraphy. And for Rick, she is a monk. Yeah. So she is good at being mindful and being sad. And for Maria, she is good at drawing and writing, which is Tango. So because of these 2 persons, Zentangles is here. Yeah. So when they are like to introducing the Zentangle, they also introduce a concept. And this is concept I would like to introduce to you. For these pictures, as you can see, there's a human and also a dog. So which one do you think he or she is being mindful? If you think it's a human, you can raise your hands. Mindful, yeah. And if you think it's a dog, you can raise your hand. Be mindful. Not sure, right?
I'm always in the mindful.
You're always in the mindful.
Yeah.
I know it.
Human
I know
is
it.
sure.
Yeah. So for the mindful, it should be like the dog. So why? What happened? So if you can see the man, the human, you can see in his mind there's a lot of things. Yeah, they are from the past or future, thinking, oh, what I should have during the lunch, or oh, what did I miss yesterday? Who did I miss yesterday? It will be like mindful, full of a lot of things in his mind. But for the dog, as you can see, he's thinking at this moment, present. What he's seeing at this moment is the pictures and the mind and the pictures in his mind. So it's being mindful. So we will try to be mindful in our later on the Zentangle lessons. So how we can be the mindful, and as we are drawing the tangle, I would like to invite you to just focus on the pattern, just enjoying the drawing process. So it will be like a taster of being mindful. If you know that your mind is going to somewhere else, like thinking boyfriend or family or someone, just like bring yourself back to the drawing process. Okay, just enjoying the drawing sessions together. Okay, so do you have any questions or problems? If not, then we will have a lesson start on. So as you can see on the table, there's a lot of materials. So please get a 10 square paper This one, the paper. Each of you get a paper. It's a white tile in a square shape. And also the gel pen, the pencil, and also this one is a paper pencil made of paper. So each of us get one, and I will show you how we will use these all the materials. So as we have a lot of people, so I get a bigger tile here, so everyone can see it. So if you can't see it, you can sit closer to us, or you may raise your hands. So, hey, oh yes. Oh, I will use this one. So first of all, I would like to invite you to get the pencil. Yeah. So for the pencil, we will draw a frame for us on this tile. For us, like, oh, this area is for us to draw the picture. So first of all, you may use the pencil slowly and softly put 4 dots at the corner, like this. Only what for you is a dot. For me, would be like easier to present, would be a bigger dot, like this, at the corner of the paper. And then we will use a line to connect the dot. So for the line, it can be in any direction, so in any way that you want.
Or that.
And then we will use a line to draw across the paper. Only one line is already enough. Then we can put away our pencil and get our pen, the gel pen. So as you can see, there are 2 parts of this area on the tile. So you can get the gel pen, which is this one, the gel pen, the micro gel pen. So as you can see on this pen, the tip is very fragile. So be gentle on it, okay?
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, be gentle on it. So, as you can see on our materials, we don't have any rubber or correctors because in Centangle, all your drawings are perfect.
Oh.
Yeah. So it all depends on yourself. If you think, oh, I got something wrong, it's okay, just allow it to happen. Or maybe you can create some interesting things instead of like correct it, okay? So first of all, we will draw a line. Follow the pencil line that we drew until to the end, and then we will have a shape, like a water drop shape, like this.
Oh, sorry. I thought we were going all the way.
All the way. All the way. But it's okay if you go all the way. You can continue like that. Yes, like that. Not going all the way.
Pasti lang wala, erasure na rin.
I'm going all the way like that. Yeah.
Awang buhat
It's okay
guys.
if you go all the way, it's still okay. So opposite of this area, we will draw
Ganun ko lang, nagmamadali.
another water droplet. So we will keep drawing different water droplets, a very big one, because we will draw the patterns inside the water droplet. Okay? So another one.
Parang leaves to. Uy, mali pala.
So we will have 5 water droplets. looks like the water droplets, but as you can see in the whole pictures, it looks like the leaves.
Yes.
Yeah,
it's
as
a
you can
leaf.
see, there are so many leaves, and we will create the patterns on the leaves. Okay. So for the first pattern, there will be easier pattern for you to handle. So for the first one, we will use a
Ito
line
pala. Ba't na?
to divide
Hindi ako
the
nakinig eh.
leaves into two parts. And
Nag-focus ako
then
eh.
you may see what I'm doing first, and then you can just follow my guidance. And then I will use curvy lines with a dot in the end, and keep repeating this pattern. So if you know how to work on it, you can start on working on it. So you will keep repeating the curvy lines and the dot at the end.
Curvy lines. Ang galing ko mag-drawing ah.
As you can see, they're curvy and the dot at the end.
Ang ganda lang sa akin ah. Parang ano.
So when you're
parang
finished,
buwan.
you will add some dot under the curvy lines. It will be like this. And
The leaves
repeat
man.
it on the opposite side.
Kaya pala ang liit nito.
So for each dot, it can be closer to each other and will look prettier than if it's too wide.
Sulit naman natin.
Dat pala yun. Kaya tayo mag-ingat ito.
In love din ka
So
paklat.
when you are drawing the dot, just lower your process and enjoy the process that you are drawing the dot.
I-enjoy ka paklat.
So as you can see, it's a very easy pattern, but already a very pretty shape. You can see on the leaves.
Bakit sa akin tatlo lang?
Oh, can we also do it for the other leaves already, I guess? Or
Oh yes, but I will. You can like, if you want to follow my guidance,
Oh,
you
okay.
can continue. I will continue teaching other lists.
Oh,
But if
okay.
you have other creativity, you want to use your creativity to decorate the list, just go ahead.
Parang hard
Yes.
din. Sa
I
akin
will
man.
continue teaching the other patterns.
okay.
Yeah. So it's very simple and easy. And if you think, oh, there's too many spaces, you can keep adding the dot or adding other patterns on it. So it's a very simple and easy pattern. And then, for another leaves, I will choose this one. And this one, I will use lines to decorate, to fill in the leaves. So first of all, you may see how I'm working on it first. It will be like some triangle
Triangle.
lines.
Hmm.
And then I will use some lines
parang W.
to fill the triangle. It feels like there's so many triangles inside.
Oh, okay.
Until for the end, I will use the pen to blacken the triangle. So this is one shape I drew. And I will keep repeating on another side.
Enjoy your drawing, Jenny. Simple ang pala.
Hirap na hirap pa ako mag-drawing na karita.
Pero pangit man ang resulta sa akin.
Perfect na kahit magkamali.
Ito naman.
Lines.
Mas maganda sa akin kung malalaki na rin ito. Maliit sa akin.
So when you are drawing the lines or like filling the triangle into black, just enjoy the process
Yeah.
you are doing on it.
Nag-enjoy ko sa akong agi kay di mao.
So as you can see, it's very simple, just lines and also some colors. It already have a very pretty shape.
Oh my goodness.
Yes, oh my
That
goodness.
is very cute.
So it's a chance for you like to take it in an arm shape and just rotate the
Yeah.
tile into different direction to see it.
Oh, I can draw.
Oo, mahal.
Pero itong bata po nag-drawing na ganito.
Hindi talaga ako mag-drawing ka na.
Ng bata po. Ganito.
So if you are
Nagdo-drawing
keep
pa.
drawing on the second one, you can keep continue drawing. So if you're finished, we can move on to the third one. So for the third one, it will be more complicated.
Hala.
So it's a measure.
Excited.
Yeah, excited. So first of all, I will draw like a two curves.
Ang layo lang sa akin, guys. Oh.
I will use the lines to make
Parang maliit na sa gitna. Nagkatalong.
like a shape, as you can see. And then I will use circle to fill in. So I will start in the middle of this part and then use circle to fill in the middle part.
Uy, lahi man ako.
Parang sitaw ah.
Ako lahi.
So as you can see, the circles, they stay very close to each other. And you can see there's some small triangle spaces. Use your pen to fill the blank.
Kikita mo ate?
And it looks like the bead, as you can see.
Pau-pau?
No. Yes.
Lahi man niya ako.
Sorry.
Wala may nasa instruction.
And then, as you can see, there are two parts that we haven't drawn anything on it. We will use curved lines. Looks like a protection. And we will keep repeating the curved lines. And I suggest to keep the space in between the curved lines is narrow. Yeah, a narrow space. Very thin space. And keep adding the lines.
Bakit sa kanya maganda? Tingnan mo sa akin. May line pa na kanya.
Sa'yo? Kanya-kanya naman na.
So you will keep repeating this on another side, another direction.
It's pretty.
Dito mali ako.
Parang mais.
Kasi may nakalinan sa gitna.
Pardon.
So it's very simple. Keep using the lines. If you're still creating this pattern, keep going, and if you are finished, we will move on to the fourth one. So for the fourth one, we will get the inspiration from the tree trunk. Yeah, tree trunk. As you know, the tree trunk is usually in like this shape, lots of patterns like that, right? So we'll use this as an inspiration and draw it on this one. But for this one, we will use a technique in Zentangle, and it's called drawing behind. So it will be, if we have two tree trunks on the other side, we will imagine the second tree trunk we drew will be staying behind of the first one. So you can see I didn't draw the tree trunk, the patterns on this side, and imagine this one is staying behind of this first one. So we will use this technique on this one, and we will use this pattern. So, it's very simple. We'll first start by a dot, just a dot, and then use a circle to draw around the dot, and keep drawing the circle.
Teman ko kaklaro. Hindi 2 minutes naman yan.
And if you want this pattern to look more fruitful, you can first start by a very small tree trunk, and then you will draw another dot, and then keep drawing the tree trunk. And this time it can be a bigger one, which means you can draw more circles.
Hindi mo na kumagkita.
Tinutuloy lang yun? Basta circle lang ng circle.
Maliit na circle first, di ba?
So as you can see, I didn't draw it over the leaves. I keep it staying inside the leaves. Like this.
Saan ka sabay?
So as you can see, a very small one and a big one, and you can put a dot on the another side. And if you want the tree trunk to look different, it can be not a circle shape, it can be like this. And you keep repeating the circles like this in a different shape. So you try it.
Ano daw? Ganun siguro. Hindi ko pa klaro.
So as you can see, the circles, they have different patterns. It looks quite different. And it looks pretty, I think.
Yes,
Yes.
and you are so pretty, but in us.
Disaster.
Now, if you want to be prettier, you can add. You see the skill is drawing behind, then you can add someone like. Wait, I pretend this one is keep on enlarging, but we don't cover it different, and then it will look like that. It stay behind. Yes, just imagine how it continues. It looks nice. Actually, we have two different skills. One is drawing behind, so kids can one behind the another.
Yeah.
But and we also got techniques that is called that we don't cover each other. So this you're applying the second skill. So it's also very
My sweetheart is so small.
Finger princess sa kanila ang ganda. Isa pang tae.
Bakit sa kanila yung super ganda no? Ba't sa akin is parang
Ibang bagstas pala yung ginawa ko.
ganyan lang daw, i-continue lang daw. Oh. See my work guys, this is
And the
it.
last one is for you to use your creativity to decorate.
Ah, and the last one is my choice.
Yeah, it's your choice. Yeah. So you can just follow your creativity to decorate this one. So, or maybe you can see what I'm drawing on it, then you can follow my pattern. But if you want to use your creativity, it's time for you to start trying on the last
Oh,
one.
this is it.
Just remember the 4 elements, the I, the dog, S, C, O. Yeah, it's very simple.
Now this is it. It's my turn.
Yeah, it's your turn. Practice. It's your turn to practice. So for me, yeah. So if you want to follow my guidance, it's still okay.
I think
so. For me, I will draw a line, and then I will draw some heart-shaped lips.
Oh, really? Yeah. I just thinking about kind of a leaves, you know, the
So what the color is just
And another heart-shaped lips.
something, and you will see that is quite very
Now what I do?
Pati yan, hindi ako marunong.
Ano yung ginawa niya?
Heart.
Heart to?
Makinig kasi.
Hindi. Mag-ano ako na
Ay, sarili-sarili niya na. So, pero kung gusto mo itong galahin ko.
Oo.
Pero pwede ka naman gumawa ng sarili. Basta yung pattern. Pati heart naman, hindi ako marunong.
Ano ba yung gagawin ko?
So use lines and also the heart shape, like the water droplet, to present as a lips. And keep repeating it on the last one.
Nagtanga na noon ko kung sa akong baton.
Linya, tapos heart ako.
Linya.
Yes. Yes. Some of them are creating their own pattern already.
Yan. Tapos,
Kinumbine ko naman yung pattern mo. Wala kayong masabi.
Parang Starbucks.
Kinumbine ko lahat ng pattern mo para wala siyang nasasabi.
hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko. Be creativity, guys. Ba't parang wala akong maisip? Ano yung sa'yo?
Parang isuot. Isuot pa ganun.
So it already looks very pretty. And if you want to add more elements on this, on the lips, you can try to add some small lips.
Small
Maybe
lips.
just like
Oh.
add this one,
Meron pa.
small lips. Here, a very small water shape, or maybe on another side. So you can decide whether keep it in a white color or just bracket it. So it all depends on yourself.
Bahala na sila, ba't nabut-buto ako?
Kaya nga walang razor. Perfect.
Diba? Parang ilaw lang.
Nakakabili ko. Ano daw yung ginawa niya? Ilaw?
Ilaw ko. Bakit na? Dahon.
And you may also use some doll to decorate it.
Oh, okay with that.
Nanundog lang gani, di ko mo. Nasaan na po ang gawin ko? Ano ang pilar?
And as you can see, there are still a lot of spaces, not just two parts, so you can also use your creativity. Yeah. Or maybe very simple, you can draw a frame for this one. And for me, I would be like, I don't know, maybe draw a frame. Use this one.
Para kung frame. Para kung frame.
Na naman tayo bukat to kan eh.
Hindi nga. Depende sa iyo.
Ba't ang ganda sa kanya?
I tried to draw it in a rectangle, but I failed. But it's okay.
This is mine, guys.
It's fine. Still
Ito
very
yun ang
pretty.
sa kanya, guys. Ba't ang ganda?
Hindi ka marunong.
So for the flower, it can be very simple. A dot and then 5 little droplets. It's already a pattern of flower.